So welcome back guys to another video, and this video is going to be very specific and very practical one, because in this very video I will be talking about how you can create the theme pages. And in the next video, by the way, I'm going to discuss how you can create the motivational theme pages. Now, as you saw in the previous lecture, in the theme pages, motivational theme page plays a very crucial role. Those pages get a lots of followers and lots of sponsorship rates and promotional rates as well. And that is the reason why I will be telling you guys step by step how to create the motivational pages in the next video itself. But in this very video, I will be telling you guys how to create the theme pages, how to create your Instagram account. From the very basics, I will be starting how to create your Instagram account first of all, and secondly how to how to write the bio and username and all that stuff. So for this video, let us consider the sports page, and we will be creating sports theme page about the sports news and latest happenings and upcoming events and all those things. Let us create a sports theme page on Instagram in today's video lecture. So hope you are excited for that, and be excited and learn side by side and start doing it side by side. So go to our Instagram and sign up, click on sign up, and enter your email address and all those details. Enter your uh, first name plays no role, by the way, in the theme pages. You can choose whatever theme page you want to choose. You can choose a password for that as well. Let me do this as well. So what you need to do is here choose a password after all, and here is the username. And because we are talking about creating sports page, what we need to do is we need to find some kind of fascinating username for the sports page we are creating. Let us say sports latest, or let us say sports XYZ, or this type of things can happen here a lot of times. But I just believe that this can work. Many are not working nowadays. It is not available. It shows the mark over here, sports underscore XYZ. It can work. No, it is also not available. So let us say sports dot. It is also not there. Underscore. It is also not available. So for now, let us keep any random username which the Instagram offers, and we will be using. We can change that afterwards. So there's not a big deal in order to change the username. Let us take random and check out your birth date. What is your birth date? Go over here and just go over here and next. Click on next. Now confirmation code will be sent to your email. So go over here and in your Gmail, look out for the confirmation code and enter that very particularly. And after that, you can start to build your account from there. Uh, Let me move to that account. So in this email, there will be a more notification. There will be a 6-digit code or 5-digit code. I don't know, whatever it is. Okay. So yeah, here it is. Instagram 702561. It is my code 702561. So now our Instagram is ready to create the theme page. Now particularly, let us now take a look at that step by step. And before before getting started, let me tell you that your username, your name, or your first name, last name, it really doesn't matter what you enter. uh, what happened here? Is there any error? 702561, is it the code? Let me resend the code. Sometimes it shows the errors, no big deal in that. 190748. Now it should work, but it is still not working. Let me go back and start over again. Let me check in here. This username isn't available. I think that the account is created, that is why it is not showing over here. Let me log in the account. Curious Purano from my email address. To creating account, you need to log in from your email account. That is what I am doing here. You need to log in after creating the account, and it should start. Probably I guess that it will start, and it has started. So this is the home page. Now what we are going to take a look at is what happened. Account suspended. I don't think there is something with that. Disagree with the situation. There has to be some error over there. They have suspended my account for that. So let it be. Let me just log in from my account, from my previously available account. It's not a big deal to use those same accounts over there. So let me go over here to my previous account, which I have created for my books page. I tried to upload over here on the Cover Crush about the books and all those things. So this is the page which I have created, known as Cover Crush underscore, which probably talks about books and all those things. I really love to read books, and that is why I'm trying to upload the things from books on these pages, like this kind of pages. So I think that this may help to you guys probably a lot of times. So you can follow this page, whatever it is. So let me tell you over here. Go over edit profile, and here is the thing that you need to do. You can change here the username, profile picture, and the bio. Now I have just kept simple bio. What we love, we mention. That is just a simple bio with the proper font as well. So like this you can do this thing. uh, Female, because it is managed by my sister, so that is why it is kept female. And after that, here is the submit section. But after, what I really need to do is I need to change here some kind of branding and like that thing. Let us do here, uh, choose different kind of. There are just these few categories, but you can choose any category and display the message over here. But let us say that you want to change the profile picture and profile name, username in this section. So what you can do, without going to mobile, you can still change the profile name or username here. You can go over in account section and change here username, name and profile as well. But I'm not going to do that because I have got the clear username and you don't need to change that. But you can change if you want to change. As I said to you guys earlier, uh, while signing up, there's totally no need to give a lot more attention to the name, username, because it can be any random username. You can pick any one of them, but at the end of the day you can change it when you go over there in the profile section, and that is all you can do. Here are the account details as well. You can add an account as well, and it's not a big deal. You can learn after that. But now what I want to talk about is the bio section, and this is how the page is created. Now this whole page is about the books, and how they like literally about I started to I have started to upload something about the books. Now let me talk you about the books page only. I know that I talked about how you can create the sports page, but let us now consider how to create the books page. I'm talking about just books, latest upcomings, and quotes from the books. Because to be honest, when you upload the quotes from the books, that can be really helpful as well. It will really help you to increase your followers at an insanely huge rate. So this was how you can create the theme page. It is really simple to create a theme page. You just need to create your new Instagram account as you create, and that is what it is. It is nothing more than creating a new Instagram account. Creating theme pages is all about creating a new account, finding a proper username, because try to find out the username which do not contain the numbers in that, because when you add numbers to any username, the psychology behind that is it just is not it does not look professional to have numbers in any username. So try to avoid numbers. That is one thing. Thirdly, what I want to talk about is try to upload a proper bio in any theme page you create. Doesn't matter what kind of theme page you are going to create. So that is one thing I wanted to share. So guys, that was pretty much it I wanted to share in this very video. In the next video particularly, I am going to talk about how you can convert this exact same page to the motivational page, and doing all that stuff around. So I will be creating a new motivational page in the next video. So for that, stay tuned and watch the next video very carefully. But for now, I conclude this video and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.